actually unbelievable. We entered here this evening and already we were just surprised by how crazy it is. This whole village is just already amazing, and then we haven't even entered the parks yet, so what the heck. So actually first thing on the planning was actually to go to shop, but that doesn't really interest you as much. We just decided to go to the hotel tour in this resort, and bro, every hotel so far has amazed me. We only have done so far 3 so far, and it's just unbelievable. These hotels are already really old, and they really hold up. If you look at the Disneyland hotel, it's nothing compared to this. Efteling Grand Hotel even isn't anything compared to this. But yeah, anyways, we only have done 3 hotels so far, and we need to do 4 more because this resort holds 7 hotels in total. It's unbelievable how much they just fit in here. Just found the balcony. We made it to the best view there is in the whole park. It's unbelievable. Like, I don't even know why don't many people show this. It's crazy. This is also, I don't know if you can see me very well. This park is literally located in the middle of fucking nowhere. Like, we're at the border of the park, which also means border of the village, city. And behind me is just all fields. As far as I can see, it's crazy. Ultimate night goes crazy. Like, the top hat is crazy. Just came out of Rulantica, and what a day it was. For day 2 of the trip, it was already actually a banger start just a banger of a start. And just to get on like the quick summary of what just happened, I was just amazed by the whole park. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the park was pretty amazing. The water slides were all pretty decent. Say they were not the best, but it was pretty good. And then just in general, the park just really delivered. And we were actually able to spend like almost the whole day there, from when it opened to when it closed. But because we wanted to see a show that's going to happen at Hotel Colosseum on the other side of town, and we still needed to get some dinner, we just decided to leave a bit earlier and then go on to Hotel Colosseum for the show, That happens at 15 minutes before 10 in the evening, as you can see, because the sun is just shining on my face. And the weather itself, they said it would actually rain the whole day, but instead it actually is quite nice. Not that cold, not that hot, and just in general, pretty enjoyable. So anyways, I'm gonna leave you guys with some amazing shots. Actually, I don't know if they're amazing because I haven't seen them for shit, but I will leave you with some shots of Rulantica itself, and I'll see you on later. this vlog here, right here at this point. After 2 days of Europa-Park, right behind me there's Volkswagen, Rulantica Super Splash, I think Blue Fire. For the rest, it was an amazing park. Definitely got my expectations correct, gifted to me. The hype was real. Finally visited this park. Done every coaster in one day, and then today, last day, we just did some stuff we still wanted to do, like all the dark rides and stuff, because with all these coasters, you already need to do one day of just all coasters, or almost all coasters, because on day one of Europa-Park, we did some dark rides as well, like Castello del Medici and Volatorium, but that's just because the park, it says it opens at 9, but actually it's opened at gate at around 8:15, and then at 8:30 you can go into the German attractions. But for the rest, really amazing park. I am so blown away by just this whole village in general. It's just one big experience in itself, because this whole town is just based around this park in like, oh wait, famous Fantasyland in its busy season. So definitely recommend this park. If you go here, definitely do the 2 days of the park itself, 1 day for lunch count, maybe even 3 days of the park. But because of cost issues right now, we just did 2 days Rulantica, 1 day Rulantica, 2 days Europa-Park, and yeah. Anyways, I don't think this is the vlog you can this is like a vlog you expected from me. It's like a little bit more of actually like, I don't know what's called, but more vibe like stuff with all the shots and stuff, even though I didn't make that much shots in Europa-Park, because you were just going from ride to ride. Also saw some Meg family members, not Rowan Meg sadly enough, but I hope I will see him one day. But yeah, for now I think it's best to end this vlog, and I'll leave you guys with some on rides and some videos I shot, maybe even some photos if I do it good enough, and then I'll see you guys maybe in the next vlog. I don't know what's coming up next, so yeah, I'll see you guys later.